In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images to Coda IO docs. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place images on your canvas, choose the best way to insert them, and fine-tune the layout so your doc looks clear and professional. First, let's talk about the canvas. Think of the canvas as the main writing surface of your doc. It's where your text lives, and it's also the perfect place to add visuals that break up long sections, illustrate ideas, or create simple, eye-catching layouts. Images on the canvas behave a lot like text blocks, so you can move and arrange them to support your story. If your image is saved on your device, the quickest way to add it is with a direct upload. Click into the canvas, type /image, then select image. Your file picker will open. Choose your file. Coda supports JPG, PNG, HEIC, SVG, and GIF. PNG is great for sharp graphics, JPG works well for photos, SVG scales cleanly without losing quality, and GIFs will animate right in the doc. After you select the file, it appears immediately on the page. If your image lives on the web, you can display it without uploading. Click into the canvas, type /embed, and paste the image URL. Make sure it's a direct, publicly accessible link to an image file. If the site restricts embedding or the link points to a web page instead of an image, it may not display. In that case, download the image and use the direct upload method instead. You can also drag and drop. Open a folder on your computer, click and hold the image file, and drag it onto your Coda page. When you see the drop highlight, release the mouse and the image will land right where you placed it. This is perfect for adding multiple images quickly. Just drop them one after another in the order you want. Once your image is on the canvas, you can refine the layout. Grab the drag bars on the edges to resize. Coda preserves the aspect ratio so your image doesn't distort. To create a side-by-side layout, click and drag the image next to a paragraph or another block. When you position it to the side, Coda automatically forms columns, giving you clean, readable sections. If you want the image full width again, drag it back until it snaps into the main column. You can also reposition the image above or below other content to guide your reader's attention. That's it. Use direct upload, web embeds, or drag and drop, then adjust the size and columns to match your story. With a few quick moves, your Coda docs will be more visual, more engaging, and easier to scan.